Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. And here we have an article from T-Mobile News. I will leave it in the description down below. Just wanted to let you guys know it looks like the network outage has now been restored fully according to this article. So I just wanted to reach out to you guys to see if any of you are still experiencing issues as of this morning. I still saw some comments in the comment section saying that some people still haven't been able to get services on their devices. So just make sure that you guys airplane mode your device or reset your network settings if you are still having issues. The network can now be authenticated and provisioned normally again. So now you should be able to just reset network settings or hit airplane mode to get your services back in order. So just wanted to share this brief video with you guys this morning. Stay tuned to the channel. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.